Welcome to this early demonstration of Presence Director, our upcoming AI-powered module designed to help writers, artists, and storytellers transform ideas into fully illustrated comic pages and graphic novels. Before we begin, it's important to point out that this is a technology preview, not the finished product. The goal of this video is to demonstrate the overall workflow and the core concepts behind Director. Many of the features planned for the final release are not yet implemented, while others are only partially available or still under active development. In this demonstration, you'll see how Director analyzes a written scene, breaks it into individual panels, generates visual descriptions, selects the most appropriate composition, and assembles the final comic page automatically. What you are watching is only the first stage of a much larger production pipeline. The final version will introduce a complete character database, allowing you to create persistent characters with reference images, visual profiles, reusable assets, and optional LoRA support to maintain visual consistency throughout an entire story. We're also working on a comprehensive objects, creatures, and locations database, making environments, props, and recurring elements reusable across multiple scenes instead of regenerating them every time. Another major feature currently under development is scene management. Rather than generating an entire page as a single operation, each scene will become an independent editable unit. This will allow authors to regenerate a single panel or a single scene without rebuilding the entire comic page. Dramatically improving the creative workflow, the visual style will also become much more flexible. Instead of negotiating artistic styles through prompts or conversations with the language model, users will simply choose from predefined styles or create their own presets. Allowing Director to apply a consistent artistic direction automatically. You may also notice that image quality and consistency are still evolving. We are actively evaluating different open-source image generation models, and the final version may use different rendering engines depending on the selected style. The available hardware or future technological improvements. Our objective is not simply to generate beautiful images. Our goal is to build a true AI director capable of understanding storytelling, planning scenes, maintaining continuity, managing reusable assets, and eventually supporting not only comic creation but also animated sequences and video production using the same creative pipeline. This demo represents only the beginning of that journey, but we believe it already shows the direction we're heading. Thank you for supporting the project and helping us build the future of AI-assisted storytelling.